Uh, what should an investor make out of this? Because if I've bought a mutual fund, equity mutual fund, I'm seeing these wide movements in the market. At one point, I feel I'm at an all-time high. Yeah. On the other hand, when I look at my statement, it does not reflect that. Yeah. So what should an investor do at this point?
Yeah, I mean, there is clearly a dichotomy in the markets and the behavior, because while the Nifty seems to be at 11,000 kind of number and pretty close to its all-time high. In fact, it nearly touched the all-time high a few days back. But if you see actual portfolios, then clearly they are not showing that kind of euphoria. The reason being that a lot of portfolios are kind of multi-cap, mid-cap, and even within the Nifty, even if you're in a large-cap portfolio, the point is that right now the Nifty is being appearing at a particular level because of few stocks. Let us say Reliance has done extremely well, or say Bajaj Finance, or say TCS or HUL. So because of few stocks with a high weightage, the Nifty appears to be at a certain level. But clearly, if you see mid caps, then they are down 15% from the peak in January. If you see small caps, then the entire index is down 20% from the peak in January. So, these are clearly challenging times from an investor's perspective, because as I described, the index shows something where real portfolios are showing something else. I think this is not totally unprecedented. I mean, if you really see the Nifty itself, I mean, now we are seeing 11,000, but you go back some time, I distinctly remember that March 2015, we saw Nifty at 9,000 roughly. Again, September 2015, we saw 9,000. Then again, September 2016, we saw 9,000. And in between, China and commodities and demonetization, so many things happened. So 2 years preceding this, when investors got fantastic returns, the Nifty was perpetually between 7,000 and 9,000. So it happens, basically we all are stock pickers. And there are very many times when our performances are not correlated. In fact, we are paid to ensure our performances are not correlated with the Nifty. So I don't think investors need to really react. They need to understand that there are fund managers out there who are doing bottom-up stock picking, and just keeping patience will eventually produce the right results.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.